Welcome back everyone. Today we got a special package from Slam Jam. Shout out to them for having amazing package and really quick delivery. This came from Italy all the way to the United States in California in about 3 days. I'm excited to show you all a new model from Vans, and it is perfect timing for the summer. The official name is Amzn Pacu. The colorway name of this pair is the French Oak. Are you ready to unbox this? And because there's no laces, I'm gonna make it up by having a special kind of on-feet video, so make sure you stay till the end. Alright, let's go! Alright, well, I do have to say this. The Yeezy Foamrunners is what started it all. All these craze of the foam shoes. And we all know there's a bunch of shoe companies right now that's trying to make their version of it. I personally never owned a foam runner, but my brother did, and here is a video of him on his YouTube channel. Now, is this better than the foam runners? I don't know, we'll find out. Now let's take a closer look at this pair. I actually didn't think that Vans will make a pair of this because they already have the slip-on ones, which is called the Trek. I don't own a pair, although I did try it on at a Vans store, and this is definitely softer and lighter than the Treks. Now let me know if I should do a side-by-side comparison video of the Treks and this. I love how they put the Vans logo embossed on the corner of the shoe. In my opinion, the best part of this shoe is the back. Look at that, they actually put the heel tab on there. If you are wondering about the colorways, currently there are the gray, the black one, and this colorway. Kudos to the design team because the silhouette is nice. Currently, this is only out in Asia and Europe. US doesn't have it yet, and that is why I have to get it from the Slam Jam site. Now the Vans UK site only has the black colorway. This is what the description says. These are low top slip-ons. They feature all over ventilation for extra comfort and have an outsole with a solid grip to help prevent slipping. And guess what? I've been using this for about a month now, and I agree 100% with that description. So now I'm going to do a little flex test so you can kind of see how the material is. The top part of this is soft, but it does look like it is durable. Now here is the bottom sole. As you can see, I'm trying to press on it, but you can't do it easily, so it tells me that it will last long. In my honest opinion, they did a very great job with the design on this, and it is very, very comfy. We are almost at the end of the video, and I want to thank you all for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It would help my channel a lot, and if you like this video, please hit that like button. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Vans Dad, so you can see all the latest updates on my recent pickups. Make sure you stay till the end for the special on-feet video. Coming up next are some B-roll clips. Enjoy everyone!
Perfect.
Wait, hold up. I gotta take these bad boys outside.
Perfect.